Hi, welcome to Quiz Arena. Are you ready to prove you're a wildlife genius? But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Easy level. Largest land animal? Elephant. Fastest land animal? Cheetah. King of the jungle? Lion. Black and white bear? Panda. Longest neck? Giraffe. Lives both in water/land. Frog. Animal with humps? Camel. Animal with black stripes? Zebra. Domesticated farm bird? Chicken. Bird that can't fly? Penguin. Known as ship of desert? Camel. Animal with tusks? Elephant. Tallest land animal? Giraffe. Animal with long ears? Rabbit. National bird of USA? Eagle. Medium level. Mammal that lays eggs? Platypus. Animal known for memory? Elephant. Smallest dog breed? Chihuahua. Reptile with shell? Turtle. Insect that makes honey? Bee. Animal that changes color? Chameleon. Jumping marsupial? Kangaroo. Sleep upside down? Bat. Largest bird species? Ostrich. Has a horn on nose? Rhino. Lives in polar regions? Polar bear. Only mammal that flies? Bat. Fish with electric shock? Electric eel. Insect with 100 legs? Centipede. Sleep standing up? Horse. Hard level. Fastest flying bird? Falcon. Largest sea animal? Blue whale. Uses echolocation? Bat. Has blue tongue? Lizard. Can regrow lost limb? Starfish. National animal of China? Panda. Only cat that swims well? Tiger. Runs in zigzag? Rabbit. Mammal with no teeth? Anteater. Lives in groups called pod? Dolphin. Long trunk animal? Elephant. Animal with sharp quills? Porcupine. Animal with pouch for baby? Kangaroo. Largest cat species? Tiger. Fastest swimming animal? Sailfish. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.